Hello everyone, my name is Disha, as you all know, and it's been a real long time. Oh my god, I don't even remember when I last vlogged something or saw something because I'm not sewing these days. I'm not doing anything creative in a way because I am studying nowadays and I am studying at home. I am not in any coaching or school or college right now. I've completed my college and now I am preparing for some other exams. Studying is really important. You can't go a really long way with just creativity. So yeah, that's what I am up to. That's why I am not posting any sewing vlogs or anything. So yeah, but the problem is that I'm facing right now is I am not able to hold myself accountable because not being in a coaching and studying at home, it sometimes sucks because you're all alone. You do not know what other people are doing for their preparation. You do not know how it should be done. No matter how many YouTube videos you watch, that sort of fear just never goes away. So yeah, so that's why I am thinking like I do have a YouTube channel. So why can't I make videos and post on my own channel about my preparation? I will maybe be more self-aware in a way, and I will able to hold myself accountable way more. And I think that this will motivate me to study even better, even more in a way. So the thing is that this channel is all about sewing and fashion stuff, but I think that it is my channel and I can change the content whenever I want. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking right now. I am going to be posting a lot of sewing study vlogs and other things that I do for my preparation, how I study or whatever. So maybe that will help me. And if any other people who wants to study, they can join, subscribe, and they can study as well. We all can do it together, as I always say, as I always believe. If we do it together, it is far easier to do, and there are more possibilities that it will get done, and we'll be happy for our mental sake. So yeah, that is that. And yeah, I think I will be posting sooner or later. Maybe my vlogs start coming from tomorrow or a day after that. Yeah, so that is that. And I am right now studying in 75 hard challenge. I am on third day. Today is the third day when I'm posting this. Okay, I'll post it today as soon as I'm done filming. So yeah, it's the third day. So fourth, fifth से vlogs आ जाएंगे. They won't be daily vlogs, but there will be a lot of studying related content in your way if you're already a subscriber. And if not, then you can subscribe because coming 2 to 3 months are going to be really study oriented content wala system. So yeah, that's it. If you guys want to subscribe please. Like, share and comment. And also you can share other people if you know someone who's studying and who wants to study further, or they're studying at home just like me, because it is tough. It is really tough. It gets tougher when you are doing it all alone. And I don't even go to libraries, so it is like me alone. I have no subscriptions. Like they do online subscriptions nowadays, but I do not have that as well. So only way for me to do it is I do it myself. So yeah, if you know someone like that, so suggest them my channel and maybe we can do it together and prepare and hopefully get some good marks. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.